Guys, how to fix if your iPhone widget not working on your iPhone? If widget issue you are facing, then here are the fixes. The first is go to settings of your iPhone, scroll down and go to privacy and security and tap on location services and make sure that location services is duly turned on. The second one is go to that widget which having issues or problem. If you are facing this widget, then simply from the top right corner, click on edit. From the bottom, tap on edit and remove this widget first. Finally choose remove and thereafter again add this widget. To add widget, from the top left corner, tap on plus sign and here look for your widget and choose stock and finally choose add widget. And now check your widget error will definitely be resolved. Adding or removing is a useful solution to solve any widget error on your iPhone. That's all.